So we're gonna implement the beforehand thing, so we're gonna go ahead and delete this. We're no longer gonna do that. We're gonna do this. We're no longer gonna do this. We don't need this anymore. So let's go ahead and delete this. Delete this. So, I'm gonna do this again so I can more or less show. So when it comes to React, we don't use this in React. It's not, just don't. But we want to use the before unload approach in here. So let's go ahead. So what I did was I basically before unload React, like how you implement before unload with React. I think this guy's trying to use the window thing, and this is not window without add event listener beforehand and all that good stuff. I try to stay away from this type of implementation. Since I am using React Router though, React Router, it looks, if you go down here, there's also this npm package, but I don't want to download another library. React Router actually has a use before unload component that we can use. So we're going to go ahead and say like, it's a hook that helps to work around having to need to do this. And since we're already using React Router, it feels like it's ideal to use this. So we're going to go ahead and import this. And then in here, we're going to import, we're going to need to use callback. And we're going to basically copy paste this whole thing right here. And then we're going to make some changes. So in here, we're not going to use this since we already imported it. We're going to call this pet results. And we're going to set it to results. And we're going to say when results change, and if results equals null, and local storage dot pet results doesn't equal that. We're going to update the state, and we're going to have this as results, and do pet results. So I think that is how you do it. Oh, no, you can delete this. So let's see if that works or what happens. So we're going to get started, refresh this. Let's go ahead and do sneezing, coughing, difficulty breathing. It should give us the results. Let's go to application. And perfect, nothing's happening. Okay, so it says read it when they return, save it off before user navigates away. So if we say okay, it's not doing it the way that, do we need to JSONify it? So storage JavaScript. I think when we set it, we need to JSONify it. So I think we need to say JSON.stringify results. Oh wait, sorry, not stringify, I think it's parse. because here when you set it, no, wait, hold on. No, yeah, I was right. So we stringify it here, and then we parse it. JSON dot parse here. So it. Okay, so let's go to dashboard. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Get started. Let's go through this again. Let's go to the application. Refresh. Yeah. So it is being. Wait, hold on. Okay, it is being stored now in local storage. However, when it's being refreshed, state changes or state gets reset. Results. Okay, let's see how this is going, how this is working, because thinking about it from a actually we don't want this anymore. Oops. Okay, let's see, how does React work again? When state changes, with a dependency. On refresh, the results are, where is the results is set to an empty array on refresh. So it changes. So the state changes. Oh, we are not passing in. Or are we? Yeah, we are. Update results. JSON.parse, local storage.pit results. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's go here. Delete this. Get started. And actually, we don't really need this either. Gonna do real quick. Wait. I'm just gonna navigate the user back to the beginning. So I want to know what results. Okay, so when we refresh the rate it when they return. I wonder if user before. Okay, let me see something real quick. I wonder if it just doesn't work with refresh, but it'll work with like going back and then forward. Because it says when the user leaves. If I go back and then I go forward. Okay, it works when they leave and come back. Yeah, that is not. So like if I go to dashboard and then I go back, that doesn't work. That's weird. If I go back and then forward, oh, that's not working. again. But it is saving the results in the local storage, so I think I just need to play around with it. The dashboard, so delete this. It says read it when they return, so I use effective results equals, and actually this isn't null, this is going to be empty array because results actually equals is set to an empty array. Well, we can set it as null. I think I have it as empty array though, so that doesn't throw an error when it's loaded, so I think I'm going to keep it as empty array. So do empty array, empty array. Why are you yelling at me? Oh, okay, that's fair. So in that case, we would say if results.length is equal to 0. And if local storage.pet results is not an array. So let's try this again. Okay, something's weird. Alright, let's go ahead and figure this out. Let's go through this one more time. Okay, hold on. Let me get started, and we're gonna do here. So we know it's storing it. I think this is going to be false. Oh, no, it's true. Oh, yeah, because it doesn't equal an empty array. Why is it still undefined? We just said it. Oh. Is loading is true. So in here we want to So a few ways in which I'm thinking about implementing this is, first approach we can do is change this to false. As soon as we hit this in here, we set is loading to true, and then we leave this as it is. The second way we can possibly go about doing this is to create a whole new function called update is loading. And basically set is loading and then pass down the function. I think this probably would be the easiest and best way to do this. Yeah, I think that would probably be the best way to do it. So it won't be too many functions, unnecessary functions. So bam. So let's do this again. No, that's not it. Okay, hold on. Just delete this. Back here. Let's do this one more time just to make sure. So let me see if this is even the issue. So real quick, let me just press this. Is loading. Yeah, that's the issue. For some reason, it's not uploading. It's not updating. It's setting it to false here, though. It was originally false, too. What if we set this here? Did that work? Get started. Yay, that worked. All right. Sweet. That was easy. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Set that. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. And that is our pet assessment result. So if you take a look at the videos before, there was a whole bunch of stuff going on in here. Now it has been reduced to very simple, easy code, or not easy, but just, you know, the amount of code that was in here has been reduced tremendously. It looks clean, beautiful, nice. We're no longer doing this whole save or delete or anything like that. We're just going to say start all over. So if I do start all over here and say I want to try to do the same thing, I might actually, the only thing that I'm going to change is instead of in form 2, instead of saying that instead of doing this here, this pet thing, I want to let the user know that they already have a pet like that from the first form, instead of having them go through the first form and then get to the second form, pick their symptoms, and then be like, hey, you already have a pet like here. I think it'll be better if we do that in the first form. So yeah, I'll be doing that on the next video.